Hey there friendos, and welcome back to another video. My name is Jennie Margaret, and if you'd like to see how I got this Felix backdoor look, stick around. Links for all products used in this video can be found in the description box below.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?
I think if you're watching this, it's probably safe to assume that you're Stay and you've seen some of the backdoor trailers, if not all of them. But I knew the moment that I saw Felix's makeup, I had to do it. And with only 5 hours before the premiere, I hopped right in, so let's go. If you've ever been here before, you know what I'm about to say, but skincare makes the best base for any makeup look. Starting off with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, we're going to apply that all over and let it sit for 2 minutes. So in the meantime, we're hopping in with ABH Brow Pomade, and that's pretty self-explanatory. If you're thinking it's about time to clean up these brows, you're absolutely right. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. I love this stuff. I'm going to apply it under my brow and blend it out just a little bit with the brush. And then I'm going over my brow as well and in the middle, and then I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Repeat on the opposite side. With the same concealer, I'm going to apply here, here, and all over all of my problematic areas and blend out with a beauty blender. I'm using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original and my Violet Voss Pro palette to create this look. I also totally forgot to apply concealer underneath my eyes first, so we're doing that. So taking Thanks a Latte and Transition, I'm creating my own transition shade. Now I'm going to take Hashtag and I'm going to buff that into my outer corner and then just a tiny bit into my crease as well.
Now we're here to take control.
Now taking Wine and Dine, I'm going to apply that closer to my lash line for that nice smoky red effect, and I will take Transition and blend it out just a little bit towards the top. Taking Brownie Points and Teddy Bear, I'm going to mix them together and buff them towards my lash line and then mostly on my outer corner to create that really smoky effect. I also blended all of those on my lower lash line as well, but now I'm taking my Clinique Brown Liner and I'm going to apply that to my lash line, lower and upper. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Maneater Mascara. I love this stuff, and I felt like it wasn't necessary to put on lashes, so I definitely wanted a really bold mascara for this look. If you try this look at all and choose to use lashes, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see your looks. Now I'm using a NYX liquid liner in Gold Sparkle, and that's just going right on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my ColourPop Hopeless Romantic Glitter Gel. I'm applying that with a flat brush underneath my eye and extending it just a little bit further than where we put that NYX liner. Now I'm going in with my Holika Dark Brown Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to add just a tiny wing on each eye. I'm using Clinique Even Better Glow Foundation. You can use whatever you'd like. And an ABH Contour Stick. Again, you can use whatever you'd like. Let me know in the comments how we feel about these transitions, okay? I know they're a little rough, it's my first time. Now I'm setting my face with my loose Maybelline Fit Me powder. You can use whatever you'd like. I'm using a Nars bronzer just to add a little bit more definition and glow to my face. And here we're using my favorite Nars Behave blush, of course. And this time we're using our Vlada X Smashbox Petal Metal Highlight. I really love this one. I'm going to keep using it for a while, I think, but oh my gosh, that glow. And we're finishing off with a Nars Liquid Lip applied by my finger. Alright, you guys, please leave a comment with your bias number. I'd love to know, and let me know if there's any other looks you'd like me to try. But this is the finished look, and let's get some bangs in here, just like Felix. I thought this look needed just a little bit more, so I added an Urban Decay Vice Lip Chemistry Lip Satin in Physique, and that seemed to round out the entire look. Alright friendos, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comment below, and subscribe! Stay curious, friends! Bye!